It's my birthday in a few days. Yeah. It's my birthday in a few days.
So he doesn't need to waste his.
My way to Rhoda's Greece. Yeah, my flight is really early, 5 a.m. But I made it here, and yeah, I would do a quick come with me. So yeah, finally welcome to my vlog. See, I had to change my nails because like I just could not stand going on vacation with, sorry, I'm looking at the mirror. Just could not stand on vacation going with those short nude nails, and so I made this last minute. I also did my pedicure. You'd have seen in the previous vlog, my prep vlog. But yeah, today is the D-Day. Okay, so also I don't know if I mentioned, but yeah, I did not pass my driving exam, so I'm not going for my quad bike. I think the only thing that I have currently booked is my jet ski. We're supposed to have like dinner on the yacht. However, I'm supposed to swim offshore after dinner, and I'm not confident in swimming in a sea, so I cancelled that. But when I do arrive, I'll look at activities I could do. I definitely want to get a massage done at my hotel spa, and I'm looking forward to dinner. I packed a dinner outfit. Oh, sorry. I packed like a dinner outfit, so I either have dinner at the hotel, fancy dinner, or I go somewhere else. I'm so excited. 3 days of just being me, no work, no responsibility, just my card. Yeah. See, I don't know if you can see my full fit. Okay, it doesn't show, but yeah, very obvious will travel. Me, myself, and my tripod. Yeah, so come along with me, guys, and I'm really looking forward to like having like an amazing time. It's my birthday in a few days. Yeah. It's my birthday in a few days. Let me go in case they're already boarding, so that they don't leave me behind. Bisu. It's been crazy. I've even forgotten to film, so I'm here with the. You said? Okay, all right, no problem. Okay. So the hotel has, I picked for like pickup service, so yeah. This is my room, and wait, it's 2 beds. Oh, sorry. Oh my days. It's actually 2 beds. Wow. And like, it's 2 bedroom. Even the 2 bedroom has like double beds. So this is the jacuzzi. Outside is open. I say it's open. I need to see if they could set it up for me, or if I could do it myself. But yeah, I had no idea it was a 2 bedroom. What am I using the bedroom for? But this is lovely. Wow. Yep. I feel like, and then there are 2 separate beds. So like 4 people can actually speak here. And I have like a night, oh my days. I don't know how to open this. I wanted to see. Okay. Oh my day. Oh, this is my view. Aww. Oh my days. I see these people over here. So I'm so happy to be here. I really wanted like a swim up pool room, like what we just saw, but it's fully booked. That's when I was booking, because I booked this trip like two or 3 weeks ago, and it was fully booked. But they let me know that if there's a cancellation, they are going to, you know, yeah, let me know. But yeah, ciao. Yeah. So, scent of the day. I'm going to use this perfume oil from Cinemask. I think this is Golden Dust fragrance. Oh, gosh, can I be on holiday every day of my life? Okay, well, not every day of my life, at least, you know, alternate months. That's a bit more realistic, in it. Like alternate months. Like this one, I have done it. I'll be okay, no problem. July, we let the paycheck rest, and then August we resume. We'll be fantastic. Using this perfume is Dior. Where am I going to know it? But you're gonna smell good. And then good Cinemask Golden Dust perfume. But yeah, that's it, guys. I need to start work on the CV, and then, because how else are we going to afford the next vacation? How will we afford the next vacation? So yeah, but let me order something I need to eat. These ones are not serious food now. What is this? Is this the only menu?
Yeah.
Only? There's no pasta, there's no rice?
No.
Oh. Do you have pina colada? But without the alcohol. Can you do it without? So, this place, I really wish it was really all inclusive. From this my end, I really like it. This is my first drink in Greece. Pina colada. I told this guy not to include alcohol in mine. I just hope I can smell alcohol, but I'm hoping that I cannot taste it. I've had better ones. I've had better ones. So I ordered and I'm taking it to my room so that I can walk. Which one suits a bad bitch? This is giving bad bitch. Ah.
Then Joab went into the house to the king and said, "Today you have humiliated all your men, who have just saved your life and the lives of your sons and daughters and the lives of your wives and concubines. You love those who hate you and hate those who love you. You have made it clear."
From Proverbs 14. Peaceful people. The writer of Proverbs says, righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a disgrace to any people. Sin are the life and health of the body. Anger, lack of forgiveness, envy, and jealousy.
Start recording. You can see the red light flashing. See you later. Enjoy it.
Okay. Oh my days. Yeah. And maybe only time.
No.
You're not scared. Oh my days. Okay. I think I'll hold it. Thank you.
Possibility of the marriage of a happy family because of the child, because of the daughter involved. That is where some people want to push this woman to, so that she won't take advantage of this situation she has. I think it's a pleasant situation she's about to have, but we are going to use the little girl as an excuse to block that chance. He still may come around again and be like, oh, wow, this is some good stuff. I may want to try out what he used to do. That is a possibility. But there is also a possibility that he has repented. People will continue.
She's gonna live with her father.
Sorry?
Maybe she's gonna live with her father.
Share the girl. If the girl can live with her father, it solves the problem. If the father can take the girl from this mix, it solves a lot of problem. And if Baba Ijesha too can live separately from the family, who are praying to be in that situation, where they will just find a prince that will marry them, or a princess that will marry them. There is a lot of people.
What I would have liked
What?
is, well,
So he doesn't need to waste his
it's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play.
I want to use the jacuzzi outside, so I thought I was gonna go swimming, but maybe I'll go there tomorrow morning and just do the jacuzzi tonight. At least let me use what I paid for, right? I just woke up and let's just say that the day is finally coming to an end. Oh gosh. Yeah, today I leave for the Netherlands. I've had like a great time. I'm so happy I made the trip, however short. I had dinner yesterday. It was so beautiful. And yeah. My flight is for the evening, but checkout is like this morning. So I want to see if I can even use the jacuzzi today. Yesterday the water wasn't warm, so I didn't stay in. I just dipped in my legs and left after a couple of minutes. But I'll see if I can use it this morning. If not, there's no biggie on this thing. It's just that was the only reason I got an executive room and I had 2 rooms from it for myself. If not, they've probably gotten like the normal basic standard here, which may have been half the price. I don't know, but that's the only reason I would just use it. I'm like, let's utilize the facilities. I need to. When I came, I really put like all of my clothes in the closet, so I need to park. Once I'm done packing, I'm gonna have breakfast and I'll try and film today. I got this for I have like something happening in my place tomorrow. I got these cookies and croissant that has like a cocoa and vanilla filling. I already like got like a caterer to like cater for it, but I just wanted to get that as extra. So I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a while, sure. Let's get the hair done. Go with vitamin C serum by Sarah B. And then where that is dry enough, same goes make a film foil. Going with this for my hair pigmentation. cream. And face cream. I always forget my neck. And now, last but not the least, some body oil because we're showing some skin today. But I want to chill a bit, watch some TV in the other room, and once it's time for me to check out. Well, this is almost officially the end of the vlog. Thank you for coming with me. And yeah, I can just film a few clips at the airport. But I'm so happy I made the trip. Fun. I'm definitely going to do it again. I need to go. Let me see if I can show you my full fit. So my camera just even broke. I'm happy that like my holiday is over by the time it's so yeah, it's bye from me. Oh, let me just soak in this goodness one more time. Oh, holiday is over. I envy those that are still here on holiday. But yeah. Bye. Not the serious person. My flight has started boarding, and that's when I realized that my tummy is rumbling. I need to order something I will eat on flight because I'm going with EasyJet and usually food is complimentary. And I'm not sure what they would have available. And I haven't had like a proper meal from breakfast at the hotel. And this is almost 7. And this is for about 3 hours. So I'm like, might as well just got something from Burger King. Some chicken wings, right? Why did I wait until we're boarding? Now I'm hoping that it gets ready on time. Ooh, because like a lot of people are ordering. I'm really scared because if it's not ready, there's really nothing I can do. I'll just have to leave it and go. That's some really nasty things to do.